Apple declared that it would gather its top-of-the-line work area in the U.S. in the wake of assembling had for the most part moved out the nation. The organization tried touting its utilization of its Texas plant to help produce the Mac Pro. At the point when the hotly anticipated follow-up was declared not long ago at WWDC, many pondered whether the organization would come back to Austin. Mac didn't remark on its arrangements at the time. However, another report from the Wall Street Journal asserts that the work area will be delivered by Quanta Computer Incorporated in a plant outside of Shanghai. Apple hasn't denied the report, which comes of individuals acquainted with its arrangements. Asked for input, a representative for the organization features different pieces of the generation procedure. Like the majority of our items, the new Mac Pro is planned and designed in California and incorporates segments from a few nations including the United States. The announcement peruses: "We're glad to help producing offices in 30 U.S. states, and a year ago we went through $60 billion with more than 9,000 providers over the U.S. Our venture and development bolster 2 million American employments. Last gathering is just a single piece of the assembling procedure." The report comes at an especially touchy time for U.S./China relations, as an exchange war has been fed, specifically by Trump. Apple has for some time known about the potential effect of levies on parts and global deals. A year ago, CEO Tim Cook noticed that he had met with the president, revealing to him that taxes were the off-base move